Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I want to show some of the projects that had been submitted by the students in past years. So this is one of the projects. As you can see, it's done in a Circuitverse. And here you can just click the fork button. I will leave the links for all of these projects so you can open and see them. And then you can launch the simulator. And this is the main diagram. So this is actually the popcorn dispensing machine. And as you can see, this circuit contains the many small circuits here. As you can see, for example, this price, one block. This is, you can see inside of this price by double click. You see how it works, right? And then you can go back to again to main circuit. So, and then they have the different blocks. So when you design the circuit, try to make the, like this one, you see, it's not cluttered. So all of the small circuits are separated into the separate sub circuits. So these are called the sub circuits. Okay, so this is your main circuit, and all other circuits are separated into the smaller sub circuits. So anyway, so this is the one of the projects, and how it works is that this is you want to choose you want to buy the caramel popcorn, for example, here, right? So you have to put enough money. So this is where you put money, right? So this is RM0, RM1, RM2, etc. So let's say, for example, we put the RM5, right? And then this is I think so we have the balance. So balance is RM3. So then we can choose which popcorn we want, etc. So for example, the caramel or butter or chocolate or green tea, etc. So we can click, and if it's a green, it's dispensing. If it's red, it's off. Okay, so this is how it works. So when you create a circuit, of course, you have to prepare the report as well. And in your report, you have to explain all the steps, how it works. And of course, there will be the presentation, the group presentation by your members. So all of your members have to present your project. So maybe one member will explain the price section. Another member will explain the small popcorn circuit, etc. But there should be the group presentation, okay, not the single person presentation. So this is the other circuit, and this is a traffic light. So as you can see, it's changing after some time. It's changing. There are two traffic lights, right? So as you can see, when one is green, another one is red. So when another one turns red, so this one turns green, etc. So this is a traffic light circuit, and it has a timer here. Okay, so depending on the timer, so you can change the timer, and it will change the colors of the traffic light. Again, as you can see, it has multiple sub circuits and how they work. Okay, so in this case they have two final circuits. I don't know why. Maybe one of them, you see, it was very cluttered, so they try to move this part into this traffic light part, so they come up with a much more simpler traffic light circuit. Okay, so this is another example. Okay, so let's look at this. This is a vending machine. Okay, so as you can see, this is a vending machine, and I think here you can buy yeah, you can see can and bottle. So these are the last year projects. I don't remember all the details, but nevertheless, so this is where you put the money, and then here you can choose what drink you want. Okay, so let's say, for example, let me choose, let's say I put the RM5, okay, and then I can choose let's say, bottle, right? And I think this is a quantity. So let's say quantity 1. And then what is next? Anyway, there should be some explanation. I don't remember, but last year they explained how it works. But nevertheless, this is their circuit, right? So this is inside. You can see the timers and all sorts of the different components inside. So you can see these are the inside components. Another example. So this is another water dispensing machine. So in this case, it has two options: hot water and cool water. So you can choose which one you want, cold or hot. And then, so for example, if you choose the cool and you click this button, as you can see, that this cool water is dispensing. Okay, so if I choose hot and I click this button again, so now you can see the red. This hot water is dispensing here. Okay, if I click both hot and cool at the same time, if I click, you see nothing is happening. Okay, and I think this is another safety button. I don't know how it works. Yeah, so this is a safety button. You see that when you only choose the hot and then you just click the button. It's not dispensing, so you have to click this button as well. So two buttons, and then you can get the water. So this is water dispenser, and this is how it looks inside. As you can see, some of the projects are very simple and some of the projects are very complex, but nevertheless, even this project, it got the highest mark. So the most important thing is you have to show the real life problem and design and solution, right? So you have to present this. It should be the some kind of the working circuit, and don't make it too simple, okay? But as you can see, this one is one of the good solutions. This one is another solution. So this is actually the car washing, car wash. So this is car wash with I think the coin. So you just insert the coin or the money, and then it will wash your car, right? So drive through car wash. So in this case, there are two car washes, two lanes, okay? And then here you can choose the MPV or sedan. So as you can see, they even created a display to show the price. So for example, you are driving, this is one lane, this is another lane. So there are two car wash lanes, okay? So let's say I'm entering this one, the top one. So I can choose if I'm driving the MPV or sedan. So if I choose MPV, it shows the price 20, RM20, right? If I choose, for example, here the sedan, it shows the RM15, etc. So let's say if I choose the sedan, MPV, and then here I have to put the money, okay? So I can put the RM10 and RM5. As you can see, it says the 15, but then the color is red here, which means there's not enough money. So another option is I can put the 20 ringgit, and now it's on. So car wash is on, so I can drive and wash my car. So if I choose sedan here, so instead of the MPV, I choose sedan. So it's 15 ringgit. Okay. So now, so let's choose here, right? So now if I put the 20 ringgit, it shows the balance here. So the balance is 1. So it means that I have to take the balance as well. So instead of the 20 ringgit, I can put the 10 and 5. And as you can see, the machine is on and there is no balance. So this was another very good project by one of the students, the group of students, of course, not single student. And as you can see, that these are the inside components. Okay, so I will share this with you. I will share this project with you in the goals today tutorial. You can open and you can go through all of these projects, and hopefully you will come up with your own project. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much.